friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new or if you're coming over from the playlist. I'm Holly and I'm very happy that you decided to stop by my channel today. And if you like what you see, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. I would absolutely love to have you here. Now today I'm sharing with you a collaboration video. It is for Sunday suppers and we're going to start doing these one Sunday a month, and it is being hosted by a sweet friend, Tiffany at Small Town 6, and she has great content on her channel, lots of budget friendly content. So if you like grocery hauls, cooking videos, recipes, things like that, please be sure to go and check her channel out. I know you will love her as much as I do. She has, like I said, great budget friendly content there. And I'm also going to leave the playlist down below in the description box of my other YouTube friends who are making some delicious recipes for this collaboration. So I hope that you will enjoy this video, and let's get started. I'm going to show you what I made for this collaboration. I hope that you enjoy the recipe and the video. And for this Sunday supper recipe, I am making a chicken and stuffing casserole, and I found this recipe on Pinterest. But it's quick and easy, and what I like about this is I feel like Sundays should be quick and easy, so that way you have time to spend with your family before the beginning of the week when we all go back to work or school. So for this one, you need some stovetop chicken stuffing in the box, so 6 ounces, any kind of, that you want, but 6 ounces, and 1 can of cream of chicken soup, but I'm using the one with the cream of chicken and herbs. I feel like it adds a little more flavor. Some dry minced onions, some garlic powder, and some pepper for seasoning. You'll need 1.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm using the Better Than bouillon base. I like this one. And 1/2 cup of sour cream and 4 tablespoons of butter, and you just want to slice those up into some cubes. So I have about 4 chicken breasts, and I just sliced those in half, so it gave me a few more pieces, but I like them to be thin, so that way it gets the flavor into them, because when they're very thick, I find they get dry and the flavor's just not there. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. So in a bowl, put your cream of chicken soup, whichever one you want to use. Then add the sour cream, and then you're going to mix this up until it is fully combined. And once you have that completely mixed in, then you just take your chicken, and you want to make sure, I've already seasoned the other side with the garlic powder and the black pepper. So I'm just going to put some garlic powder on this side, and then I'm going to also season it with some black pepper as well. If you want to add any other seasonings to it, feel free to do that. I feel like this, did season it pretty well. Then I added the dry onions on top, and I feel like dry onions always, they do add, a lot of flavor to meals like this. Next, add the cream of chicken soup with the sour cream over the top of the chicken, and you will just spread that evenly over the top. And this is in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, so it was plenty enough to cover the whole thing. And next I added the breadcrumbs, the stuffing mix, into a bowl, added the chicken broth, and I used a fork just to kind of mix it up. And then it's going to be a little watery at first, but just continue to keep mixing it, and it will start to absorb the chicken broth. So once you have all of that mixed together, then you will just put this over the top of the chicken soup and everything. And the same thing, you just put a thin layer, an even layer over the top until you have everything there. Once you have that done, put the pats of butter on top of the stuffing. Put this in the oven uncovered on 375 until your chicken is cooked and the top is brown. If it starts to brown too much, you can put some foil over the top, but cook it until your chicken is done. And depending on how much chicken you use, will depend on how long you need to cook it and how thick it is. But this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. And this, to me, is a really good Sunday supper. So simple, easy, comfort food. And that stuffing makes a big difference on that chicken. It added so much flavor to it. And I just had some rice with it, and some chicken rice and some mixed vegetables. And I also had a salad on the side. So for me, this was really a delicious meal. We all enjoyed it. And I also used that light raspberry dressing on my salad, which is really good. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check the playlist down below in the description box. I know you will find lots of delicious recipes there for Sunday suppers or for any time. And please don't forget to check Tiffany's channel out as well. I know you will love her as much as I do. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. So please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.